If you want to add protection but want to keep the bed completely accessible, a roll-up tonneau cover is the way to go. Hi guys. Welcome to Best Gadgets. We've got the top 5 best roll-up truck bed tonneau covers for you today. You can buy it at the links in the description below the video. Number 5. Bock Revolver X4S, the best hard rolling truck bed tonneau cover. It is available for around $1,000. The Bock Revolver X4S hard rolling truck bed cover keeps your gear safe, dry, and protected every time you lock your tailgate. Its tough aluminum slats, coupled with industrial grade vinyl, offer complete protection when the cover is closed, and total bed access when it's open. The Bock Revolver X4S features top to bottom matte black finishes, including on the underside, seals, and caps. So your truck looks great with the cover in any position. Matte finished rail and bulkhead seals ensure the cover lays flush with your truck bed, and stays watertight all around the perimeter. The Bock Revolver X4S is designed with patented rotational locking rails, that engage 3/4 of an inch, into robust locking blocks, that secure the cover in place along the entire length of your truck bed. To open the cover, unlock and open your tailgate. Pull either of the cable releases located on both sides of the truck bed, to release the automatic latching assembly to unlock it. Roll the cover toward the front, and secure using the safety strap. In this position, the cover gives you full bed access while retaining rear visibility out the back window. To close the cover, release the safety strap, and roll the cover toward the tailgate. The integrated slat caps add extra protection when rolling the cover open, or closed. And the rear corner caps give a polished look to the cover. Close the compression seal, and finally, close your tailgate. Number 4. Tonno Pro Low Roll, the best value soft roll-up truck bed tonneau cover. It is priced at about $280. The first thing you will notice is the weather seal flap, that is sewn into the front of the cover. This flap helps prevent unwanted moisture from rain and washing, from getting into the bed of your truck. The next thing to notice, is the vinyl. Using tear-resistant double-sided marine-grade vinyl that resists mildew, salt and chemicals, Tonno Pro vinyl is the highest standard in the industry, and is backed by a 10-year warranty. Next you'll notice the stitching. Tonno Pro uses 4 stitches per inch, compared to the industry standard of 3. It also uses a state-of-the-art thread, with a special coating that swells to fill the hole created by the needle during stitching. This prevents even the smallest drop of moisture from getting through. The low roll frame is constructed from lightweight yet durable, 6063 industrial grade aluminum, and contains a patent-pending tension control system, to keep the cover in place and maintain tension, even after years of use. Additionally, the design and manufacturing process of the low rolls aluminum rails guarantees they won't slip out of place if you have plastic bed caps on your truck. If you have factory plastic bed caps, Tonno Pro provides a special bulkhead filler gasket to fill the void created by them. This will help prevent unwanted moisture from entering the bed of your truck. But Tonno Pro Low Roll truck bed cover can be installed by one person in less than half an hour using a 17mm socket and ratchet, along with a short screwdriver. Because of the aerodynamics of the low row cover, you may enjoy savings of up to 10 to 13% on gas. Number 3. Amazon Basics Soft Roll-Up, the best budget roll-up tonneau cover. It is available at a reasonable price of about $185. For simple installation and no fancy features, these Amazon Basics roll-up tonneau is a good pick. It's made of double-sided vinyl with marine-grade stitching and rolls up along epoxy-coated aluminum side rails that are attached with drill-free clamps. It's weather-tight, thanks to the rubber seals, though not completely waterproof, and it must be installed properly to avoid large leaks. Along with the purchase, buyers get a limited lifetime warranty to handle unexpected issues. Talking about durability, the frame of the cover is made from aluminum that has been epoxy-coated. Although aluminum is resistant to rust and corrosion, the layer of epoxy eliminates that possibility. According to Amazon, the cover takes only 5 minutes to install. That is the fastest install time out of all the covers on this list. In addition, you don't have to assemble anything as it comes pre-assembled. This saves you a lot of time, and as soon as you receive your order, you can be up and running within a matter of minutes. If the cover performs and is advertised on paper, then it truly is a beast in the world of tonneau covers. Number 2. Gator ETX Soft Roll-Up, the best full bed access. You can get it for about $220. They have mentioned in their product description that this cover is manufactured in the USA. Some of you may be wondering why that holds any significance. This ensures that the product is manufactured using the best processes. In addition, Strict quality control makes sure that the final product does not have any manufacturing defects. This is an extremely low-profile cover, has some great-looking lines. It looks great on the bed of the truck. With the tailgate lock you will have an extra level of security for the contents to the side of the bed. To open the cover is very simple. You first just open your tailgate, that gives you access to your driver's side trigger latch. You pull that latch, it releases the cover, you can start rolling it up to the front of the bed. It's held down along the sides by industrial strength hooking boot velcro. And as you roll it out, the crossbows that support the way of the cover will roll up with the cover. Once you have your truck all loaded up, there are these convenient hook straps. Strap this into place, and you're ready to roll. Moreover, the cover will not hinder you from using all of the bed space of your truck. On the contrary, you can access 100% of the bed space, making the cover even more attractive than the competition. The brand also provides a limited lifetime warranty with the cover. The warranty will go out if you transfer ownership of the vehicle to someone else. As far as you are concerned, it is a proper lifetime warranty. That's not all. The company is also providing a 10-year warranty on the tarp. So, if it tears or cracks due to weather circumstances, you will be able to get a new unit. Number 1. TruXedo TruXport, the best overall soft roll-up truck bed tonneau cover. It's available at around $300. With close to 2,000 satisfied customers, the cover is available for the Ford F-150, 5 feet 7 inches bed, from 2015 to 2022. That is an excellent compatibility range and covers almost a decade's worth of trucks. This most affordable soft roll-up truck bed cover, protect your cargo from the worst Mother Nature has to offer. The TruXport is there when you need it, and out of the way when you don't. When you need full access to your truck bed, it rolled up and stored at the front. Its UV-resistant leather grain vinyl looks great on any truck. Its tight front and tailgate seal keeps the elements and weather out, everything from dust and dirt to rain and snow. You can install trucks in less than 20 minutes, without drilling or special tools. Simply connect the cover assembly to the rails, before clamping them to your truck bed. To protect your cargo, release the safety straps, unroll the cover, and slam it closed to latch it. The preset tension control keeps the cover smooth and flat, for a low-profile look. An industrial hooking risk system feels the size of the cover down. When used for the locking tailgate, TruXedo keeps your belongings safe and dry. When you need to use your truck bed to the bullet, press down on the dual latches, roll the cover to the front, and secure it with the safety straps. The brand even provides a 5-year warranty that guarantees a free replacement if there are any faults in the product.